Good afternoon, everyone. Sir Baray and I will discuss the principle of accessible and culturally responsive design. It is a part of designing instructional materials for inclusive learning. What is the principle of accessible and culturally responsive design? It is about transcending the barriers of language, culture, and ability, transforming the way people engage with technology. The goal is to craft visually appealing interfaces that are intuitive, visually accommodating, regardless of the background users or physical capabilities. P stand for perception. Information in the user's interface component must be presented in the ways that the users can perceive regardless of their sensory capabilities. O stand for operable. User must be able to navigate and interact with the digital content using various input methods like keyboards, screen readers, or voice commands. This principle also includes designing content that doesn't cause seizures and allows users enough time to read and use the content. U stand for understandable. The information in the operation of the user's interface must be understandable. This involves using clear and simple language, consistent navigation, and predictable users' interactions. And last, the robots. Content must be robust to work reliably with current technologies, including assistive technologies. This means using proper HTML markup, adhering to coding standards, and testing across different platforms. And that's all for my part. May we call on Mr. Batay.
Culturally responsive teaching, or CRT, is an approach that recognizes the importance of including students' cultural references in all aspects of learning. It's not just about celebrating diversity, it's about transforming how we teach to ensure equity, engagement, and empowerment for all students. Now, let's explore the 9 pillars of CRT through this infographic. Number 1. Valuing cultural diversity. So recognize and celebrate the unique backgrounds of every student, making them feel seen and heard. Number 2. High expectations for all students. So no matter what their background is, we maintain academic excellence and push students to reach their full potential. Number 3. Incorporating cultural experiences. We integrate students' cultural stories, traditions, and histories into the curriculum. Number 4. Positive and respectful relationship. We build trust, respect, and care in teacher-students interactions. These relationships are the foundation of a supportive learning environment. Number 5. Differentiated and adaptive instructions. We tailor teaching methods to students' diverse learning needs, including language, ability, and culture. Number 6. Developing critical consciousness. We teach students to recognize and challenge social injustice, promoting equity and advocacy. Number 7. Using culture as a vehicle for learning. We use students' cultural backgrounds not just as content, but as tools to help them learn more effectively. Number 8. Family and community collaboration. We engage families and communities as partner in education, bringing schools and home. Number 9. Cultural awareness of the educator. Educators reflect on their own biases and cultural assumption to become more effective and equitable. In our conclusion, by aligning with the principle of culturally responsive teaching, this approach not only promotes accessibility but also honors the cultural backgrounds, identities, and experiences of all users. It fosters inclusive digital spaces where diverse learners feel seen, respected, and empowered, creating meaningful and equitable opportunities for engagement and success. Culturally responsive teaching isn't a strategy, it's a mindset. When educators respect, reflect, and respond to students' diversity, they don't just teach, they transform every student they encounter.